Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Zendesk customer tickets with scheduled exports, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Zendesk account using your administrator credentials. Navigate to the Zendesk dashboard where you can manage your tickets. Click on the admin icon located in the sidebar. From the admin settings menu, find and select the extensions option. Look for the API section and click on it to access the API settings. Here, ensure that your API is enabled, as this is crucial for exports. Next, find the Scheduled Exports feature within the API settings. Click on the option to create a new scheduled export. Choose the specific ticket data you want to backup. You can select from various formats such as CSV or JSON. Once you've made your selection, set the frequency for your scheduled export. You can choose options like daily, weekly, or monthly. Now, specify the time of day when you'd like the exports to occur. After configuring the schedule, enter the email address where you would like to receive the exported files. Review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, click the Save button to activate the scheduled export. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your scheduled export has been created. To monitor your exports, return to the Scheduled Exports section periodically. Here, you can see a history of past exports and their statuses. If you need to make any adjustments, revisit the settings and update as necessary. Congratulations, you've successfully set up automatic backups for your Zendesk customer tickets. This process ensures you have regular access to your important data without manual intervention. Be sure to check the received emails for your exported files after the scheduled time. This method keeps your ticket data secured and easily accessible. By following these steps, you can maintain an organized backup system for your customer support records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.